Hi, welcome to eSpares, the channel that specialises in appliance repair, where we help you to fix it yourself. My name's Matt, and in this video I'll show you what to do if your LG washing machine is displaying the error code LE or SE. Now, as always, if you find this video helpful, do please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. If your machine is displaying either of these error codes, it indicates that there is a problem with your motor and it needs to be replaced. Thankfully, this is a simple fix that you yourself can carry out at home without the need to call out a professional. For this video, we are using a direct drive motor LG washing machine model. The process is very different for a standard motor LG washing machine model, but we do have other videos on our channel relating to that type of fix. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a socket set with a 17mm socket head. And of course, you'll need a new motor, and we'll provide a link to these in the description below. Safety first, always remember to switch off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. For this fix, we need to pull the machine out from underneath the countertop. Now I need to remove the rear panel of the appliance by undoing the Phillips head screws that keep it in place. With the back panel removed, here we can see the motor, and behind the motor is the rotor. Now, in order to release the motor, we have to take the rotor off first using our 17mm socket set and head. Now, because there is a couple of sharp edges on here, and I need to use some grip to undo this large bolt in the center, I'm going to put on some safety gloves to help. So what you need to do is to turn the nut, but whilst you're doing that, also hold on to the rotor and motor at the same time so that the nut and the washer behind are released. In order to remove the direct drive motor from the machine, we need to undo these 6 bolts using our 10mm spanner. Then, to remove the direct drive motor completely from the machine, just need to take off the 2 electrical connections, like so. When searching for a new direct drive motor on the eSpares website, you're going to need to know your appliance model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular appliance. Now, if you don't know where to find the model number, don't worry, check out our video here, which will give you all the information you could possibly need. To fit your new motor, connect the electrical connections first. And then you can put it into position and screw in the bolts. To refit the rotor, carefully fit it over the motor and the spindle at the back. and then refit the bolt and washer in the center. To refit the back panel, simply push it into position and then screw in the 4 Phillips head screws. So there we have it, how to fix the error codes SE and LE on an LG washing machine. Hopefully your machine is back up and running smoothly once more. Now, if you ever experience any future error code problems with your LG washing machine, don't worry. We have a brilliant video here which explains what those error codes mean and how to fix them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, maintenance advice, money saving tips, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.